Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2020 Arctic Fox made by Northwood Manufacturing out of La Grande, Oregon. This is an Arctic Fox 990 Legacy Edition. So it is a limited edition with a handful of accessories on it that are going to be different than your standard build. The build is going to be the same, but options going to be a little bit different. Let me show you the difference. So as we come back here, all the accessories and trim is going to be blacked out with the gray graphics, gray fiberglass exterior color. It's going to have the 12-volt bright LED patio light. The large ladder, all blacked out. Come on inside and I'll show you some other detail. This is going to have the nice big dinette with the glide table that glides down real easy to make into a 6-foot bed. It's going to have the Legacy Edition Arctic Fox badging above the window. All the Arctic Fox has the big new Norcold refrigerator freezer. Little spice rack shelving here. Nice big bedroom up front with a 60 by 80 bed mattress. Lots of storage space on both sides of the bed for cabinets and closets. 110 USB and electrical lighting on both sides with a fantastic fan with the shade cover, as well as having the LED TV and the stereo player over here that's going to play our movies. So it's a CD, DVD, MP3 player, AM, FM right here that plays through the TV for your movies. Control panels here, gen switch, monitor panel for our solar, and thermostat there for our furnace. Above cabinetry in the kitchen. Solid surface countertop. Big basin, single basin stainless steel sink with a nice big sink cover and or could be used as a cutting board with a nice pull-out faucet and nozzle. Stainless steel package. Nice backsplash. The 3-burner cooktop, that's the Furrion burners with the griddle top on it. And the nice big oven. And then as we move around, we got the pantry here with its lockable here with a little lock, pulls out. We got nice adjustable shelving here for our pantry area. Everything's LED lights throughout this coach, as well as having air conditioning and generator on board as well. Got the big fixed pantry here. We move into here is our wet bath with our nice positive door lock here. One-piece shower, skylight and fan above. That's the wet bath. Storage underneath both ends of the dinette with one big drawer on one side and a fold-down door on the other that gets us halfway through on that side, as well as having a little step here for storage underneath there. Come on outside, I'll show you the exterior. So on the 990s are all going to have the curbside slide out, baggage catch doors here with the magnetic catch, full 1-inch thick baggage doors. This is access into underneath the dinette area where we had the big drawer on the inside. The new gray fiberglass for the Legacy Edition. Everything's blacked out, trim. The frameless windows is another addition to the Legacy Edition. They're dual pane glass, insulated window, frameless. We get around to the roadside where we have our water fill system, our exterior shower, our battery box area with pull-out tray. Big gas and electric hot water heater. Connections here for our portable solar, satellite, fresh water, and black tank flush underneath here. Short cord. Propane tanks, 2 7-gallon tanks. So a total of 14 gallons in a camper. Very, very large for a camper size. We're going to have our motion censored light off the side that can be motion sensor or, and that's part of the Legacy Edition. Being blacked out here, no raw material, so we have the black diamond plate, again part of the Legacy Edition. And the big awning that comes out the back. And again, I mentioned this, the spotlight out the back end, the flush mounted LED lights for the marker lights. Step pulls out, unpins, pulls out. We got a 4-foot joey tray that pulls out there. We have the Fox landing that folds up out of the way, so when we're towing, it's up out of the way and our tongue from our trailer goes underneath. So that kind of wraps it up real quick in a quick tour of our 990 Legacy Edition Arctic Fox Camper by Northwood Manufacturing, built in La Grande, Oregon. It's here at Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. The Legacy Edition is a limited edition, so if you're looking for this, make sure you give me a call at 541-979-1770. I have a handful to choose from in the Legacy Editions right now. A couple different interior colors to choose from while I have them, but as that limit goes down and gets sold out, they're going to be, again, limited editions. We go back to the white fiberglass and the normal colors that you see typically of the Arctic Fox Camper. So any questions on that, feel free to give me a call anytime you want. Feel free. Again, 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.